कुछ भी करूँगा।
कुछ भी
कुछ भी करोगे? कुछ भी सर, तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
कुछ भी मतलब वीडियो ही बनाना ना, मैं कुछ भी करूँगा यार।
कुछ भी करेंगे यार इरफान खान को। Dance collaboration, tried and refused production.
Another month, another Matlab Kuch Bhi episode.
Matlab.
If you're new to the channel, this episode aims to shed light on some of the most problematic sequences from Indian cinema. This is not only restricted to defying the laws of physics and basic logic, but also aims at showing you the double standard of what is considered to be socially acceptable, the blatant ignorance and insensitivity towards beauty norms and race, and how there has been years of the same problem being propagated through films, often even celebrated. Without further ado, here is Tried and Refused Productions with shocking Indian movie dialogues or scenes you won't believe were approved. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता, a blatant rip-off of the Jim Carrey star Liar Liar that released in 1997. क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता starring Govinda and Sushmita Sen took creative liberties of pushing the limits, both logically and socially. The movie, which focuses on Raj Malhotra played by Govinda, a lawyer who is a gold digger and a compulsive liar, at one point of time in this film is defending a criminal in court. Bollywood anyway had a tendency to push the limits of what was acceptable in a court of law, wherein Garv Salman Khan literally starts a royal rumble by breaking the witness stand and starts a no-holds-barred WWE match. Many films like Raja Ki Aayegi Barat would force women who are victims of abuse to marry their abusers in order for them to mend their ways. Going by the same history of Bollywood and absolutely no logic, when Raj Malhotra's character in the film feels cornered, as if there is no way for this criminal client to go scot-free, he questions an old man who was an eyewitness to the crime, keeping in mind this statement.
मेरे पाँव में तकलीफ भी है, मैं दीवार कूद ही नहीं सकता।
What the lawyer finds suitable in court, yes, in court, to call the old man on the lie is this.
Dialogue.
मेरे पास दूसरा कोई रास्ता नहीं था। जो आदमी दूसरे की जान बचाने के लिए 3 फीट की दीवार कूद करने गया, वो अपनी जान बचाने के लिए 6 फीट का कटघरा और 8 फीट की दीवार कूद कर उस पर चला गया।
एक सेकंड 6 फुट का कटघरा है, मतलब हमारे बुजुर्ग आई विटनेस एटलीस्ट 9 फुट लंबे थे। I digress. That's not even the point. The main point is किसी भी लॉयर से पूछ लो, अगर इस स्टेप के बाद कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट के नाम पे तुम्हारा लाइसेंस टू प्रैक्टिस रिवोक नहीं हुआ ना, then you live in a world of your own rules. But what happened? Our Raj Malhotra wins the case, and we carry on watching cinema that have no rules in the real world. दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे. Well, it's become quite clear that the Matlab Kuch Bhi series, more than just being an Indian movie analysis episode, is turning into a David Dhawan special. Another film that is an exaggerated version of the 1960 film Ek Phool Char Kante focuses on Raja, played by Salman Khan, who wants to marry Sapna, played by Karishma Kapoor, but in the process has to impress her 3 uncles who have raised her. All 3 uncles being exaggerated caricatures. Anupam Kher का character ही देख लो, effeminate है और जिसे dance और fashion पसंद है. When Anupam Kher's character decides that he will choose who marries his niece, his brother says this.
बातें सुनकर मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे हैं। खुद ऐसा है, लड़का भी ऐसा लेकर कैसा हूँ मैं।
And in order to accentuate that same point, Kher is instructed to amp up his mannerisms to seep into the subconscious of the Indian masses who are already homophobic. कि ये ऐसे ही होते हैं.
आपकी बेटी को डिस्को डांसिंग और फैशन डिजाइनिंग आती है?
When Sapna goes for her solo trip to Europe to find herself and live freely, she bumps into Raja multiple times. When both of them are at a bar, Sapna gets approached by creeps, not knowing their intentions, starts dancing with them. When they start harassing her, Salman Khan approaches the situation and does this. What follows is a nationality debate, which is mind-numbingly painful to listen to.
तो हिंदुस्तानी लड़कियां ऐसा करती हैं?
क्या हिंदुस्तानी लड़के ऐसे करते हैं कि एक लड़की प्रॉब्लम में फंसी है और तुम हाथ जोड़ के माफी मांग रहे हो? मार नहीं सकते थे उन्हें?
अगर कोई लड़की किसी लड़के को उकसाएगी तो वो लड़का ऐसा ही करेगा।
Imagine, तुमने पूरी पब्लिक को ये समझा दिया है कि अगर लड़की तुम्हारे साथ नाचे तो फिर हरास होना तो बनता है. She asked for it. ऐसा तो ही होता है, ऐसे ही थोड़ी ना डांस करने आ जाते हैं कोई. मतलब कुछ भी. Linga. There are many films where the conclusions become so outlandish that it dampens the otherwise immersive and engaging experience you had throughout the running minutes. If you remember the long drawn out sequence of saving the baby in Mausam or the entire sequence of Shah Rukh in Zero prepping for the NASA mission, it unnecessarily stretches the film and lessens the desired impact. Linga was a Rajnikant film that was underwhelming in many aspects. A lot of critics praised the magnetic presence of the legend but alluded the demerits of the film to be in its writing. The 2 hours and 58-minute long film has one of the most illogical final sequences I have seen in Indian movie history. The villain kidnaps the heroine and has the plan to escape in a hot air balloon to Sri Lanka and throw presumably a nitrogen bomb at the dam by tying it to the heroine. Then we see Rajnikant chasing the hot air balloon as he drives a motorbike with a jarring green screen behind him. He perfectly lifts off with his bike to land on top of the hot air balloon and fight with the villain. The combat sequence leads to the villain falling off the hot air balloon, the heroine holding on for dear life, the hero rescuing her. Oh shit, we all forgot about the bomb that is going to blow up the dam, right? Well, don't worry about it. All the hero has to do is be Cristiano Ronaldo for a second and bicycle kick that thing into the water for everyone's safety. I wonder why can't writers interject in the process of developing this scene and just be like, Sir ji, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Kartoos. The last directorial venture of Mahesh Bhatt was the 1999 film Kartoos. Other than being a weirdly over-the-top thriller and Sanjay Dutt being a bootleg version of Nicolas Cage from Con Air, 2 instances from this film just rubbed me the wrong way. First of all, there is a song called Balla Ye Ladki that has a musical band in the background that is covered in black paint. It's not a musical group of African descent. These are Indian dancers that have been doused with black paint on their face. And then the song's chorus goes, Gori 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 Gori. Then you're like, oh, wow. Is the purpose of their makeup just to create contrast to the lyrics? Then there's a dream sequence song called O Rabba, where Sanjay Dutt imagines getting married to Manisha Koirala. In a yellow ghungat, as a gag, they get an African girl. Everyone is shocked, only for Koirala to appear from the background and be like, ha ha ha, अरे joke था, इससे थोड़ी ना शादी करोगे. And then you wonder, why Indians are obsessed with fair skin and have discriminated against people with darker skin tones. You perpetuated it. Badrinath Ki Dulhania, a movie I don't understand how I could overlook, especially regarding its several social issues that are deeply disturbing to show in a commercial movie context, especially the fact that it released in 2017, was the Varun Dhawan and Alia Bhatt starrer Badrinath Ki Dulhania. From a character standpoint, Badri, played by Varun Dhawan, just doesn't want to turn out the way his brother did, in an unhappy marriage that was forced upon him, and abides by whatever his father says, aka women don't work after marriage or Dahej because sanskar. The approach of the hero towards the otherwise not interested and extremely driven heroine, Vedahi, played by Alia Bhatt, is what we blame old Hindi cinema of doing all the time. Stalking. बस हो या कॉलेज, बद्री आ जाएगा, पीछा करेगा, चलो प्यार हो गया, शादी होने वाली होती है, but because Vedahi can't see a foreseeable future living in the shackles of that family, she leaves him at the altar. For Badri, she is dead, but because the villainous and regressive father has said, यहाँ पर चौकट पे लटकाएंगे उसे, औरत को अपनी मर्यादा भूलनी नहीं चाहिए, तो Sir Ji goes all the way to Singapore and the very first point of contact shoves her in his car trunk to prove a point that he has been nothing but kind to her. He says, मैंने कभी तुम्हारे साथ दुर्व्यवहार नहीं किया. Bro, you just shoved her in your dicky. मतलब कुछ भी. This one is a mess. It blows my mind that it took me only to revisit it to identify how problematic it was. And that was the video, guys. Write it down in the comments below whether you have some video ideas for our channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle is right in front of you. Follow me at JohnnyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.
मतलब कि इसका ये एपिसोड कुछ भी जो है ना इतना कमाल का चलता है, हर मंथ पे मेरे ख्याल से 2 मंथ के बाद या हर मंथ पे तो ये ज़रूर अपलोड करता है. और वाकई में एक सेंसफुल यार. अभी जो शुरू में पहला था कि दूसरा था वो जो गोविंदा का जो था वो लॉयर वाला यार, कभी किसी ने मतलब कि लिटरली इतने डीपली नोटिस ही नहीं किया होगा कि 6 फीट का गटकरा, मतलब कि 6 फीट का तो वो बुढ़ा बाबा खुद जो 9 फीट का बंदा होगा, ठीक है, 6 फीट का गटकरा 8 फीट का वो जो है यार बंदा. अभी यार सीरियसली यार वाकई में बहुत लॉजिकल वे पे जो है ना इसने मूवीज़ के डायलॉग्स को जो है ना वो पॉइंट आउट किया यार. और हर जगह पे कह रहे कि वो जो कहते हैं कि भाई मूवीज़ पे ये नहीं होता वो नहीं होता, सब कुछ होता है यार. मूवीज़ पे रंग से रिलेटेड भी जाहिर सी बात है, वो जो काली और गोरी को लेकर आए थे, अब लोगों के माइंड में वो छपेगा नहीं तो फिर और क्या होगा। दैट इज अ वैलिड पॉइंट यार। और एंड पे बद्रीनाथ के साथ जो एंडिंग की है वीडियो की, आई मीन दैट इज लिटरली टेक्स टू अनदर लेवल यार। आई मीन लिटरली यार, जो तुम अभी कर चुके हो तो कह रहे हो कि मैंने किया ही नहीं कभी। वाह यार वाह। आई होप यार कि आप लोगों ने इंजॉय किया होगा मेरे रिएक्शन को भी, मतलब कि ऑन दिस एपिसोड कुछ भी बाय ट्राइडेंट रिफ्यूज प्रोडक्शन का यार। तो प्लीज़ इसके कोई और भी अगर वीडियोस क्लिप मतलब कि है कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो कि आप want me to make a reaction on that, तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। और जो है ना वो शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा यार। सब्सक्राइब तो यार सबसे बेहतरीन चीज़ होती है, वो नहीं करेंगे तो यार कैसे मेरे रिएक्शन को आप देखेंगे। तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा। एंड प्लीज़ डू वॉच द प्रीवियस वीडियोस एज वेल। टेक केयर, टाटा।